So today we're gonna focus on the meaning of the Hierophant tarot card. But before we get into that, um, I just wanted to say I find tarot readings just another way to seek guidance from the universe and really helps you train using your own intuition. But the thing with tarot I find isn't fully touched on is that it can truly be an individual's experience. You can read your reading completely intuitively. And that's what the difference from a true tarot reader and a reader that just uses general knowledge of the definitions of the cards does. And most readers I see on platforms are just using the general consensus versions. But that's where I vary with my readings. I like to use my intuition when I'm reading my cards. But today, we are just going to focus on generally accepted versions of the cards. And if you want to experience my intuitive readings and overall spiritual gifts, you are gonna have to book a reading with me. The link is in the description. But going into this card signifies tradition and convention. It can even represent an arranged marriage. It can also be a symbol of a counselor or a teacher. This card is usually linked to the Taurus zodiac sign. But digging deeper into this card, it really shows someone that likes to stick to doing things their normal way that's laid out in their normal routine. This person likes to follow the rules and beliefs everyone else likes to follow or does follow. They feel comfortable with traditions and don't like to change those up at all. In love and relationships, this card shows that you are ready for a higher commitment, like just beginning a serious relationship, or if you're already in a relationship, getting married. If you're already in a relationship, this shows harmony and that you both agree on most things. If you're single and seeking love, this card signifies that you will meet someone who shares the same values and wants something more long term. If you want more content like this, don't forget to subscribe.